Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and from Hunkydory Crafts, you guys, we have the most adorable card kit. This is Rocking Snow Globes concept card kit, and they make adorable cards like this one. This is a gatefold card my friend Debbie made. It's got the little 3D snow globe right there. Open that up. Isn't that great? And you guys, this is our card giveaway for this episode. So if you stick around to the end of the video, we'll tell you how one lucky winner can win this card to keep or share with a friend. In the meantime, come and play with us. All right, let's take a look what's in this kit, you guys. It says it makes 12 cards. First of all, you get also in this kit, you get this little pack of the domes, and there's 12 of them. They're all just nested in here, just like that. Okay, and let's check this out. So you'll take each one of these, makes 1, 2, 3 cards, okay, with the little die cut pieces. And then you need to match up that particular card that you're choosing, I have to separate these out, with your card base. So usually you can mix and match them however you want, but usually they kind of go together. So like this ho 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 right here, that border, and this swirl goes with this collection based on the background pieces on the art. But you could mix them however you want. So then there's like this one with the little hearts on it and the little birds, and then we've got the snowflakes. So these are the bases, the little rocking pieces, okay? And I will show you that in a minute. It just occurred to me that the giveaway card, because I always pick them just before the video starts, is actually not a rocking piece. That's okay. I'll show you how to make the rest of these. All right, so we've got the snowman, and then the little birds, and then the little polar bears. And these come in layers. They're like pyramid pieces. And then you just match up the two sheets and put them together. So I'm going to show you how to do this. And they also come with envelopes and step-by-step instructions on how to do this. Now, I know some of you are going to say, a lot of you are going to say, how do we mail them? Well, I wouldn't recommend mailing them in this envelope, okay, because you're going to put it in there and it's going to be two-dimensional. It's going to be dimensional, not two-dimensional, but it's going to be dimensional, and it will be not deliverable. You're going to get it sent back, okay? This is more of an envelope that you would give directly to a person, so hand delivery on these, or put them into the package that you're mailing for a Christmas gift, or put them into a padded envelope to mail, okay? So you got to use your best judgment on that one. All right, so once again, let's take a look. Okay, here's our little Santa. I'm trying not to get the reflection of the lights in there. Here's our little Santa guy. And then you have this little base that is a little rocking base, and they go like this. And they're just cute, right? They're just adorable. And then Debbie decorated this one with some cute little tiny words and phrases Christmas Dazzle stickers. Right here, she's the red ones. And then a little red ribbon, got some right here, that she just put right there, and it's all done. And I'm gonna put one of these together at the very end, but let's just show you some more themes here. So we've got this one, cute little hunter gnome with a little plaid, so cute. It says, "To my Nomi, Merry Christmas." There's also a place, get rid of that tag, there's also a place on the back where then you can like personalize it and write, you know, a little message there. But yeah, they just open up like this, and then they just rock, and they're adorable. All right, so for this one, you guys, Debbie made a gatefold card, and how we do that is we take a card with the fold that's here, and we fold the outside edges to the center. And then she covered that with some paper. The patterned paper pack that she used is Snowflakes and Snowfolks 12 by 12 pattern cardstock, and she used this one right here, and she used that here. She used one of the layers, okay, from that cute little dove, and then the big layer she used here, and then added some of the little greeting there. And then this one came with a border, and she took that border and made it into a little belly band. And then she added all the way around that, you guys, some really beautiful, these are silver pearl jewel dazzle stickers. Really pretty. Used a little jewel picker to add that to her card, and then she also used some silver pearl fancy border dazzle stickers, which I forgot to grab, but I'll list down below. There you go. On her card as well, and then one of those little tiny words and phrases dazzle stickers in the silver for peace. So this is going to be our giveaway card, and how this works is that you go over to our Paper Wishes YouTube channel, and if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page, right below this video there's a little YouTube icon. You just click on it and it'll just switch you over to the YouTube page. You need to subscribe or be a subscriber and like and comment on this video. Then we're going to choose one of those comments, and then we will pick one of you to congratulate. You have won this card, and then you reply to that, and we will, send you this card and some Happy Mail. So let's get to this, you guys. Let's show you how to make these. So I've got mine in a little sheet protector here, all my little pieces. And I just find these really fun and just kind of soothing to make, actually. So I got my little Post-it notes everywhere. All right, so you pop one of these out from the little background sheet. And then this one, remember, this is all like according to the instructions that are right here. But you're just going to do a series of mountain and valley folds. You're going to fold it like this. And then these two right here get folded down. So you just kind of go like this, up with this one and down with this one. Okay, you just kind of go like that. Oops. Push down and fold. So let me try that again to show you. You're going to push this one up, and then these go down, just like that. Now I'm going to find my bone folder. All right, found my bone folder. So we're going to take the bone folder and just kind of go over those little pieces. There you go. Now, that works great as a little rocker, just like that, but you'll notice it's kind of spreading out a little bit. So in the little instructions, they do recommend taking a little bit of like extra sticky tape, like I have here, and putting that right there, and that kind of tapes that part right together, and it keeps that from just kind of spreading apart, so it'll rock better. So I'm going to take these pieces off. All right, and then you just kind of put those together like that, and it will still rock. This is going to rock better, stronger, faster. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to take the largest base piece right here, and then you punch out all the other pieces. Okay, so I've got this one, and I've got a little foam tape on the back. This one actually has two pieces that you separate like this. They're nested. Just like that. I put some foam tape on those. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start from the bottom and go work to the top. You're just going to remove these little pieces of tape. And then you're just going to do some aligning here. You want to align the images with what's already on here. So I'm looking at the little star and the tree and all these little ornaments, just lining those up. We could probably zoom in a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this one, and this one has this little hole in it. That's okay. We're going to cover it up anyway. So it's actually a really great use of paper on Hunkydory's part. There we go. And then we've got this last little one. It's going to go right in the center. Okay. And see, you're making that little step-down pyramid. So cute. All right, now you're taking one of these little guys, one of these little globes, and then you're going to put it right there over this. And then they even recommend you can do some cute little shaker material and put in there. So I've got, this is little blizzard sequins, and they're just like little white sequins, and then sequins that are in the shape of a snowflake. They're so cute. So we're going to have to definitely use some of those. And then I thought to make it show up a little better, I would put in just a little sprinkle of these cherry crystals. They're like little rhinestones. I'll put some of those in there just so they would really show up. But before we do that, I'm going to take the base, and this is the piece that goes right here on the back. little handmade for you. And I find that easier to put on when you start before it's all assembled. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. There. So that's all good to go. Okay. And we've got our little pyramid all set, and then this is going to get glued right over this, and then this gets glued down to this, and then this gets taped to this. But before that happens, we have to get some of those little sprinkles in. And the thing that I find the handiest with that is to put them right on top of this little piece. Don't try to turn everything over and align it that way. Stuff just goes everywhere. So I'm trying to open this little thing up. So I just like to put them like right here. And then just a little pinch of this. You don't want to put so much in there that you can't see the little picture, because that's important. Okay, and then this can go right over that, and we can glue that down. I have my little mini glue bottle filled with Cosmic Shimmer glue, and I just find that to be really helpful. It's not going to squeeze out all over the place. Okay, we're just going to put our little line of glue here. Little dots. Because you really don't want glue engaging with those sequins. That would be sad. I'm going to put that right there. And then we've got that little gold piece to go right over the top of it. Same thing, little glue. That's gonna go right on there. And everything looks all nice and neat that way. And then you just wanna make sure that it's sealed nicely. Okay, come on, glue. All right, now I'm going to turn this over, and I've got one more of these little pieces here of the extra sticky tape to remove. And then we're going to put that right there. My glue is kind of moving around. There we go. And then I've got a cute little border here that matches. And then you could just put that like right here along the bottom. I cut off a bunch of extra sticky tape. I wasn't sure how much of it I was going to use on here, so I'm just going to cut this down a little bit. Okay. Just going to take our little scissors and then just trim that right with that curve. And then I've got some of the cute little greetings that it came with. Sending you festive wishes. Just put that right there, so cute. And then I've got another one here that says have a ball this Christmas, like the ornaments. And you can put this one like right here on the back, or you could put it on the top. So cute. And then I have one more thing I want to add, which is some beautiful red ribbon. I'm thinking this little mini gingham would be so cute. And if you're like, find it tricky to make little bows, I'm going to give you a quick little lesson. So I just take mine and I just wrap it around my finger. Remember the whole like bunny ear situation that we learned when we were in elementary school? And then you just wrap it around there. And then there's the little hole right here where your thumb is, and that's where the other bunny ear goes through. And then I pull it tight, and then it looks terrible. And then you just finesse it a little bit. You pull those little loops, bunny ears down so they're much smaller, and then you pull them a little tighter. And then you finagle it a little bit more, and you finesse it a little bit more until you're happy with it. I don't know anybody who makes a bow without using like a bow maker that makes it perfectly the first time. It always takes a little something. And then we could just put that like right there. That would be really cute. You could use little Zot glue dots for this. You could use a little hot glue. I find that just using the Cosmic Shimmer glue works really well. It just takes a minute to dry, so I'll just leave it there. And there you go. It's super cute. And this one is a shaker, which I think kids would love. All right, you guys, so we've got a great money saver on this. Wow, my table is super messy. So what I'm going to tell you about the money saver, I'm going to clean this up because I've actually extra sticky taped something to my table. Here we go. So don't forget that this one is going to be our giveaway. And all you have to do is read the instructions at the end of the video for more information on that. It's not a rocker card, so tell you what, the winner, if they're just like, I really want it to be a rocker card, I'll let you pick one of the rocker cards. All right, so thanks so much for joining me today, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.